Any construction project consists of resources that you need to manage efficiently in order to track the project's time and costs. In this video, we will take a quick look at the main modules of the OpenConstructionERP platform that will help you start building a comprehensive overview of your project in terms of cost and time. First, you need Python. Grab it from python.org if you don't have it. Press Win, type CMD, and open the command prompt. Type pip install OpenConstructionERP. The package installs in seconds. Then type OpenConstructionERP. Your server starts at localhost 8080. The browser opens to the sign-in page. 3 demo accounts are ready. You can either choose the Quick Start option or select the databases you need, which include descriptions of construction work by resource, as well as the modules required for your work. Pick Quick Start or choose your profile to customize the modules. This is the dashboard, your workspace. Click Create First Project. Name it. Pick the region. Set the currency. Choose the classification standard. Add the site address and a regional factor. Click Create, and the project is live. To create a resource description or a cost estimate, click Create Cost Estimate inside the project. A draft BOQ opens with the full toolbar. Open the cost database, one catalog, every region built in. The same position shows up priced for the United States, Canada, India, Spain, whichever region your project is set to. 55,000 items, a complete breakdown of construction work by resources and materials. One click adds them to the sheet. You can now manage prices and volumes for items, as well as add or remove resources from items describing construction work. Drop an IFC or Revit file onto the viewer. We don't need vendor software or connection APIs. All conversion will take place locally on your computer. In this example, we're using a Revit file containing several thousand elements. We can easily filter the project by any criteria and quickly link the elements we need to line items in the estimate. We can link geometry with properties to an existing position in the estimate, and we can also create new ones based on the geometry. Here, all 13 floor elements light up at once, isolated from the rest. Click link 13 to BOQ, one button, and those elements become a priced position with quantities summed and classification matched. No manual re-entry, quantities flow through exactly as modeled. We have now linked the geometry and all properties of the geometric element to the estimate, which allows us to select any numerical value for the volume parameter of the item describing the work. Open a DWG the same way. Drag, drop. The conversion takes place locally and standalone without the need to upload your data to cloud services. Every layer from the AutoCAD file is readable and toggleable. Walls, doors, axes, columns, details, annotation, the entire stack. Set the drawing scale once. Every measurement from that moment on is in real meters. 3,800 entities, each one measurable. The geometry stays vector. Now we can link any flat geometric elements in the drawing to our items in the estimate, just as we did in CAD BIM projects. We select items or create new ones, and then within the estimate we will see the link to this drawing element as well as its dimensional characteristics, length or area, which are now used to describe our construction work items. Most standard drawings arrive as PDFs, and that is where estimation time gets lost. So we built the Takeoff tool that matches how estimators actually work. Drop a PDF plan into the viewer. It opens at full fidelity, rendered by pdf.js. Start by setting the drawing scale. Click 2 points of known distance, type the real value, and the whole drawing is calibrated. Every measurement is now in real meters. Trace the laminate flooring in the living room with the polyline tool. 17.37 meters, live as you draw. Close a shape for a room and the area calculates instantly. We can define polylines as well as areas and volumes by specifying heights, which allows us to instantly obtain information on the scope of work that needs to be included in cost estimates. When you finish, one button, Export to BOQ, pushes every measurement into the bill of quantities as a priced line item. No translation, no lost data. When we switch to the estimate, we will see a link to the PDF document as well as the pre-calculated volume parameters for the item, which we extracted from the PDF drawing. Now that we have the work items defined using resources and geometric elements from various sources, we can export the completed estimate to Excel and share it with other specialists or import it into other systems. Here is a full real-world estimate. Portland Technical School, a Revit model passed into nearly 10,000 elements. From that model, the BOQ writes itself. 88 sections organized by master format division. 215 priced positions. Every single line matched back to the unified cost catalog by a 3-level semantic search. In the estimate, each item is linked to geometric data, and we can also select the total volume parameters of the group for our construction work as the basis for calculations. We can go into the model and also find all the geometric groups that were linked to the items in the bill of quantities describing the construction work. Here is what integration really means when modules share one object. Pick any BIM element, this interior partition wall, and the context panel opens on the right. The same click that linked it to the bill of quantities can also create a task, attach a document, add it to the schedule, or tie a requirement to it. The new task is there, linked back to the wall with its BOQ position and priced quantity attached. Open the schedule, the wall picks up its duration automatically. Open the document, it jumps straight to the element in the model. One element, 5 modules, one context. This is what integrated actually looks like when every module speaks through the same object. Thanks to the platform's modularity and open source code base, you can add new modules and relationships between objects yourself. This gives you a complete picture of the project and how all element properties are interconnected, allowing you to build the most flexible structure possible that is tailored specifically to your needs. Drop in any Revit, IFC, or DWG file. The Data Explorer indexes every element and every parameter into a searchable, pivotable table. 9,500 elements in this model, 798 parameter columns. Every field the modeler set, from materials to fire ratings to custom identifiers. Pivot by type, by level, by family, by classification. Sum volumes, average lengths, compare costs across categories. This is CAD data turned into a BI tool. When a pivot tells the story you want, one click, create positions, and the aggregation becomes new BOQ lines. Any CAD program is a database of geometric elements and their properties, and within minutes we can generate a quantity takeoff from the CAD database that can be used both in cost estimates and in other modules of the platform. The last piece is the easiest to underestimate. Upload a single photo of a wall, a floor, a system, even from your phone on site. The AI reads the image, detects components, identifies materials, and generates a price set of positions in seconds. Once the AI has compiled a list of items with preset quantities and prices, all we have to do is convert the table into a cost estimate so we can then populate the items with resources and additional property layers. All AI tools used on the platform are entirely under your control. If you want to use AI tools, simply configure the platform settings to use your own API for the AI tools you work with. ChatGPT, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, or another. You simply enter your own API and work with these tools in your own environment. Your expertise stays in charge. The machine does the grunt work. That is OpenConstructionERP. In any construction project, you always come down to resources, and managing them quickly and precisely is a skill you have to master. A project is materials, equipment, people, time, and money. Manage your resources well. The project runs efficiently. Lose control, you lose money. Install OpenConstructionERP for free in just a couple of minutes and start building the big picture of your project today.